Sawatika. This is Elephant Nature Park, Chiang Mai. The park is located some 60 kilometers from the city and has provided a sanctuary for dozens of distressed elephants from all over Thailand. This project was started in 1996 by this lady, Brooke. She is known throughout the world as the Elephant Whisperer. She has been recognized by news outlets and conservation organizations all over for her valiant efforts to save the elephants. Since 1996, Lek and her group of devoted volunteers have rescued 200 distressed elephants in Thailand and neighboring countries. This is our guide, Korn. He was our expert to all things pachyderm. Korn, along with all the other wonderful ENP staff, dedicate themselves to caring for the animals and educating the public. This 25-acre reserve is also home to several thousand rescued cats, dogs, even water buffalo. While the animals you saw earlier are able to mingle and play, many of the elephants that call this park home have been abused so much they are physically unable to return to the wild or interact with humans. Some are blind, maimed by former handlers. Others, once wild, were caught in the crosshairs of human violence and have feet destroyed by landmines. Even some orphan babies now call the ENP their home. If you want to learn more about the Elephant Nature Park, please visit www.elephantnaturepark.org. There, you can learn more about the work the program does, as well as browse different trips you can take to the park yourself. This was the most amazing experience of our lives and truly worth every penny. But if you're not quite ready to make the trek to Asia and you still want to help, visit their How You Can Help page. There you'll find different links to donate and help care for all the inhabitants of the reserve. You can rest assured your money is going to a wonderful, ethical place. Thanks for watching. Kapkan Ka.